Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on what matters now, concrete inputs. Upload your latest resume, list 3 target job titles and 3 companies you want. Use an AI prompt template that asks for role-specific resume edits and a tailored cover note. Once done, create a simple spreadsheet with columns for role, company, status, and next action. Make sure to add email filters to catch recruiter messages. This gets the pipeline moving immediately. No fluff, just actionable data to feed AI models. Now you leverage AI to scale quality. Ask the model for company mission, hiring signals, preferred skills, and relevant keywords. Then map those keywords into your resume. Once you have role-specific language, create 3 tailored resume versions and matching cover messages. Use AI to draft concise, linked in outreach lines and a prioritized list of likely interview questions. Make sure to iterate. Compare AI suggestions against job descriptions and refine prompts until the outputs match the company voice. Finish by applying with your tailored resume and cover messages, then set reminders to follow up in 7 to 10 days. Track every response and interview stage in your spreadsheet and summarize feedback after each interview. If replies are low, troubleshoot. Refine AI prompts, swap keywords, or simplify your resume to highlight measurable results. Make sure to A/B test subject lines and outreach messages, and keep adjusting until you see reply rate improvements. This closes the loop. Apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.